Hi, we are going to talk about the fireplace now because that's a little bit unique. You'll notice there's no chimney there. Instead, we have some triangular holes in the top, and that's where the smoke comes out. And it gets very smoky in here when they have a fire going in the fireplace. We've only had one fire in the fireplace, and that was lit by the man who was the master bricklayer who built the fireplace here. And he had the privilege of lighting the fire that was here. I didn't happen to be in the house barn at the time the fire was going, but people said it was very, very smoky. And the smoke goes out through the roof. It filters out through the roof, and as the smoke goes through there, that is a deterrent for any bugs that would be in the roof. So that keeps the roof bug free. You will notice on the south end and on the north end of the house barn, there are two little heart-shaped holes up there. That's also for ventilation, so that the smoke will go out and it won't be so bad in here. They also hung their meat on the beams right above the fireplace here. And you will see how black the beams are. And that's because of all the smoke, and that's where the meat was hung and where they smoked their meat.